In 2017, Mega LED Technology was invited to help communicate the life and legacy of the great communicator, President Ronald Reagan. A Mega LED sign was installed at the entrance of the Reagan Presidential Library in Simi Valley, California. Pictured here is the original 10mm full-color display that library officials used to promote the museum, the life and times of Ronald Reagan, from his birth to his time in office and his eventual passing. The original unit used the DIP or dual inline package technology. At that time, John Lehne, the facilities director, stated, "We are very happy with our Mega LED display. Since it was installed, we have found it to be a very effective tool for communicating our programs and special events." Fast forward to 2025, Mega LED Technology installed a new 8mm sign using the updated SMD or surface mounted diode technology with a matrix of 180 by 252. Again, John Lehne, Building and Facilities Manager at the library, writes, "This is the second LED sign we've done through Mega, and we couldn't be happier. They were great to work with. And now we have a crisp, new LED sign with the latest technology. Thanks to the Mega team for all you've done." Whether a church, school, business, civic, or municipal organization, you will never regret purchasing an LED from Mega LED Technology. We guarantee it.